guys, it's Cassidy, and we are on the bus to the Bronx Zoo in New York City. And here's Cheyenne, and we'll try to vlog as much as we can on this trip. But I don't have my vlog camera, just my iPad, so I'll try the best I can. Hey guys, we made it to New York City, and we are walking currently to the entrance of the zoo. It's a really long ride.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I'm tired.
Me too.
Except we just played on our electronics like the whole entire ride, so that's good.